Welcome back to biology class. Last class we have studied about the microorganism harmfulness in humans. Today we are going to study about the harmful microorganism in plants. Various plants, different types of disease occurs. Citrus, orange, then apple, all the plants are affected with various type of diseases that we are going to study. Plant diseases, microorganism and the mode of transmission we are going to study one by one. First we are going to study about the citrus canker, that is lemon. The microorganism is that bacteria. Then the mode of transmission is that through the air. Second one, rust of wheat, that is wheat plants. The microorganism is that fungi. Then the mode of transmission is that air and through the seeds. Both things are there. The third one, yellow vein or mosaic disease in the case of bindi or okara. Bindi or okara, that is a Hindi word. Then the microorganism is that virus. Then the mode of transmission is that insect. Through the insect, the yellow vein mosaic disease is affecting to the plants. And coming to the next topic, food poisoning. We know very well, we are visiting the doctor with the various diseases. Sometime with a stomach ache or some upset in the stomach when we are visiting, the doctor may say that it is due to the food poisoning. How the food poisoning are generally occurs? Help of the microorganisms. Food poisoning could be due to the consumption of food spoiled by some microorganisms. Microorganisms that grow in our food sometimes produce toxic substances. These make the food poisonous, causing serious illness to the bodies. Okay, that is about the food poisoning. We can study about the various methods of food preservation. Various methods of food preservation. And microorganisms spoil our food item. Spoiled food enters. Spoiled food emits bad smell and it has a bad taste. And color changes. Now, different methods of food preservation we are going to study. First one, chemical methods. We are using the preservatives. Salt and edible oils are the common chemical preservatives generally used in the stop the growth of the microorganisms. We add salt and acid preservative to the pickles. Then some of the food item we will add it to prevent the attack of the microorganisms. These are the common preservatives. Chemical methods, some of the common methods we are using. Now, coming to the preservation by the common salt. Common salt has been used to preserve meat, fish, then some of the raw food items, raw mangoes, then amla, tamarind, we are using preservation by common salt. Now coming to the preservation by the sugar. Jams, jellies, then squashes, we are using preservation by the sugars. We are using some of the sugar content into that. Then it lasts for long times. Then coming to preservation by oil and vinegar. Oil and vinegar prevents the spoilage of pickles. Bacteria cannot live in such environment. Then coming to the heat and cold treatment. Heat and cold treatment, that is pasteurization. About 15 to 20 minutes we will heat the milk, then suddenly we will chill. That process is known as pasteurization. Pasteurization was invented by the Louis Pasteur. So, preserving the milk by the pasteurization method. These are the points we want to study today. More discussion we will study in our live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.